All right, engine one coming out.
Hold on, I'm caught on my motor. Right, okay, I'm good. Scoot over there. It's looking real nice. Look at that. Just pull it back a little bit.
That whole, yeah, it's gotta go this way.
The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing. Okay, that's good.
The honorary engine lifter is the engine blower. That'd be the Floridian.
She's clear. Which way do you want to spin her, Levi? My way or your way?
I don't care.
Why don't we
Just
spin her,
keep
spin
cranking
her
it
this,
up and then-
spin it this way?
It
should clear.
Just keep going.
Go a little bit more and we'll pull it.
There, spin it your way.
Ooh. I just got my cross member over here. Oh, okay, we're clear. Yeah, that mount is seized.